So today we'll discuss about the sp3 sp2 hybridization. Okay, so sp2 hybridization. So the sp2 hybridization. So hybridization that involves mixing of 1s, okay, as the name is given, sp2 hybridization, 1s and another, suppose px and py orbital. In this way, total 3 orbital will take part into this. Okay, 3 orbital, that we, these 3 orbitals, one s orbital, okay, one px and suppose one py. Okay, in this way, these 3 orbitals will take part in the hybridization. Involves the mixing of one s and two p orbitals to give 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals of same energy and shape. Whatever the hybrid orbital, hybrid orbital which will form, which will be of same energy. Okay, so we know that hybrid orbital which will form of having a same shape as well as same energy. So this is the general phenomenon of any hybridization in orbitals. So these 3 orbitals are maximum apart and oriented at an angle. Okay, so the angle between them, okay, just as we have seen in case of sp3 hybridization, the angle was 109.5 degrees. In case of this sp2 hybridization, the angle between them is 120 degrees. Okay, so angle between them is 120 degrees. Okay, उनमें जो एंगल होता है वो होता है 120 डिग्री एंगल होता है. Okay, and are in one plane, and these orbitals are having in same plane. Okay, these are in one plane, एक plane में ही होते हैं. Okay, that are also called as a coplanar. Okay, same plane में. The third orbital does not participate in hybridization. Okay, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे pz. Okay, pz which is not taking part in any orbital. Okay, so the third p orbital. Okay, only two p orbital will take part in hybridization. The third p orbital does not participate in hybridization. It does not participate. Okay, it does not participate in formation of hybrid orbit. Okay, for hybridization only two orbital that will take part. Okay, so this is about sp2 hybridization in general. Okay, and the third p orbital does not participate in hybridization and it remains. Okay, so what happens about it? Then it remains. Okay, it remains at right angle to the plane of sp2 hybrid. It remains at right angle. It remain at right angles. How it is remaining at right angle? Okay, to the plane of sp2 hybrid. Okay, to the plane of sp2 hybrid, to the plane of sp2 hybrid orbital. तो ये जो sp2 hybrid orbital form कर रहा है उसके perpendicular at right angle. At right angle means perpendicular. Okay, जो another जो pz orbital या फिर the third the p orbital which is not taking part, which is not participating in hybridization, वो क्या होता है, वो कैसे अलाइन होता है, वो राइट एंगल में अलाइन होता है. कैसे अलाइन होता है, वो राइट एंगल में अलाइन होता है. ओके, सो हाउ इट इज forming a right angle. Okay, that we'll see the examples. Okay, the examples of sp2 hybridization is bf3 and c2h4. Okay, c2 for molecule. These are the examples of sp2 hybridization. Okay, so let's draw the diagram, okay, of sp2 hybridization. Okay, so we have seen just now in sp2 hybridization one s orbital and two p orbital will take part. Okay, consider the two p orbitals are px and py, whatever just we have written here. Okay, so chalo draw karte hain. We know that it is a spherical orbital. Okay, s orbital is a spherical orbital. Suppose this is s orbital which is spherical. Okay, this is suppose y axis. Okay, and suppose this is x axis. Okay, suppose this is x axis. So this is the orbital shape. Okay, we know that the s orbital, okay, or yeah, 2s orbital, 2s orbital is having a spherical geometry. Okay, spherical shape hota hai uska. So this is suppose 2s orbital which is, okay, which will combine with मैं फिर से बोलता हूँ, ब्लर होता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, यू लिसन ओनली, बिकॉज मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. ओके, और आवाज भी अगर नहीं आ रहा हो तो लेफ्ट हो जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, So you can now left. Okay, आप लोग left हो सकते हो. Okay, I will record it and I will share. Okay, all of you. जिनको आवाज नहीं आ रही है, जिनको क्लियर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, वो लेफ्ट हो सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, आई विल रिकॉर्ड इट एंड आई विल शेयर द वीडियो. ओके, yes. So the in this way, yes, this is the yes orbital, spherical orbital, and this 2p orbital which will take part in this sp2 hybridization. Okay, so consider, suppose the px 2px orbital. Okay, 2px orbital. So how we will represent this 2px orbital? So suppose this is x axis and this is y axis. How to represent 2px orbital? So one lobe will be at positive x axis and one lobe will be at negative x axis. So I can show here like this. Okay, so suppose this is 2px orbital. Okay, it will form these two lobes. We know that p orbital will form the two lobes like this. So suppose this is 2px and 2py orbital will draw, plus this is 2py orbital. So how we will draw py orbital? So this is x axis and this is y axis. So suppose this is y and this is y orbital. Okay, so in this way we will differentiate one positive and one negative lobe like this. Okay, node like this. Okay, so in this way the participating orbitals are one s orbital and two p orbitals. Okay, that will participate into this sp2 hybridization, sp2 hybridization mein. So in this way, now what will happen here? The We know that hybrid orbital which is forming, okay, so it is forming a two lobe. Okay, it is having a two node, out of which one is larger lobe and other one is a smaller lobe. So how it will form? So look at here. So it will form the structure like this. Okay, sp2 hybridization. One lobe is like this. Okay, and smaller lobe like this. Okay, and one lobe is like this. Okay, and this one is a smaller lobe, and this is the another lobe, and this is the smaller lobe. So if you will observe this, okay, if you will observe this, if you will observe this, so what it is forming? It is forming the shape. Okay, it is forming the shape of the triangle. Okay, triangle shape form कर रहा है यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हो. Okay, and in a they are in a one plane, एक plane में ही एक ये geometry form हो रही है. Okay, so hybrid orbitals अभी हम लोग शो करते हैं उसको. ओके, ये देखो, ये तीनों भी छोटे छोटे मर्ज हो जाएंगे एंड इन दिस वे इट विल फॉर्म द स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस. ओके, चाहे तो मैं आपको ऐसे ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ. दिस इज स्मॉलर नोड, दिस इज स्मॉलर लोब एंड दिस इज स्मॉलर लोब. सो दे विल मर्ज in this way, they will merge in this way. Okay, in this way they will get merged. Okay, in this way they will get merged, and hybrid, this will be the hybrid that is shown together. This is what the hybrid orbital, this is hybrid orbital which is shown together, which is shown together. Okay, which is shown together. So this is in this way, such is the formation of a sp2 hybridization. In this way sp2 hybridization will be formed. Okay, so in which participating orbitals are one s orbital and 2p orbitals. Okay, so in this way it will form the structure, coplanar structure, एक ही plane में triangular structure. Okay, like this. Okay, orbital will be shown, and these will have angle between them 120-degree angle रहेगा इनके बीच में. So now we'll discuss about the formation of C2H4 molecule. Okay, so we'll discuss about the formation of C2H4 molecule. Okay, so we'll see both the examples C2H4 as well as BF3 molecules in sp2 hybridization. Okay. So now we'll discuss about the example. Okay, how the formation of C2H4 molecule is being takes place. Okay, so we'll see the formation of we'll see the formation of C2H4 molecule. We'll see formation of C2H4 molecule. Okay. So how this formation of C2H4 molecule takes place? So the molecule consists two carbon atom. आप देख सकते हो C2H4 में two carbon atoms are present and four hydrogen atoms are present. Okay. So each carbon atom undergoes sp2 hybridization. So we know that. Okay. So carbon atom. Okay. So electronic configuration of the carbon की अगर हम लोग electronic configuration देखें, in case of ground state, okay, in case of ground state, okay, its electronic configuration is like this. Okay, 1s orbital में दो electrons, okay, 2s orbital में 2 electrons, and in case of, yes, 2p orbitals, there will be 1 2 3 4, no, there will be 5 and 6. Okay, because atomic number is 6. In this way, this is the arrangement in a ground state. So what will happen in an excited state? Okay, what will happen in excited state? We have already drawn. Okay, हमने already draw किया हुआ है. In excited state, what will happen? One of the electron from 2s orbital. Okay, so 1s will remain as it is. One of the electron from 2s orbital will jump into 2p orbital, and it will jump into the last, that is z orbital, that is 2p z orbital. Okay, so in this way, this is one orbit, this one orbit, and this is one orbit. So 2p, this is x, this is y, and this is z. Okay, so in this way it will jump into the another orbit. So the sp2 hybridization. Okay, how the sp2 hybridized orbit will form? Sp2 hybridized orbital will form. Here what will happen? One s orbit, this, okay, one s orbit, and here this two p orbital will merge. Okay, and this will remain as it is, and sp2 hybridized orbital will form like this. Okay, this will be one s orbit. Okay, this will be one s orbit, and hybridized orbit will be like this. This is, okay, this is suppose uh, one orbit, s orbit, and this is suppose p 2p orbit. So in this way sp2 orbit, and here it will remain, यहाँ पे एक जो है remaining रह जाएगा. Okay, that is, we will call this as a pure p orbital. Okay, we will call this as a pure p orbital. We will call this as a pure p orbital, जो यहाँ पे एक बच गया यहाँ पे. And in this way it will form sp2 hybrid orbitals. This is sp2 hybrid orbital. sp2 hybrid orbitals. In this case, there will be one s and two p orbitals. Okay, the one s and two p orbitals will be there. Okay, so in this way sp2 hybrid orbitals will be formed. So now we'll see the structure. Okay, we'll see the structure, how it is forming. Okay, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे one s orbit, one and two p orbitals are present. Okay, so now with the help of structure, with the help of diagram, we will understand how it is forming sp2 hybridization. Okay, in case of C2H4 molecule. Okay, so this is about the ground and excited state of the carbon. Okay, so we know very well, we have already drawn this. Okay, so so this is suppose the carbon atom. This is suppose the carbon atom, and it is having this one carbon atom is attached to the another carbon atom, because there are total two carbon atoms and total four hydrogen atoms. So these two carbon atoms will be bonded with each other, and these four hydrogen atoms. Okay, so two out of which will be bonded to one carbon atom, and remaining two hydrogen atom bonded to another carbon atom. In this way, okay, it is for sp2 hybridization. Okay, so we'll draw here, we'll draw diagram. Okay, one s orbital and 2p orbital can on carbon hybridize to form three sp2 hybrid orbitals of one symmetrical energy. Two sp2 hybrid orbital overlap actually with two s orbital of the hydrogen. How it is getting overlap? ये देखो, ये sp2 hybrid orbitals है. Okay, This is another sp2 hybrid orbitals, and this is another sp2 hybrid orbital. So these are sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, यहाँ पे मैं लिखता हूँ sp2. Okay, sp2 and sp2 hybrid orbitals for the carbon atom. And the unhybridized orbital, this is what the unhybridized orbital, this is unhybridized orbital, unhybridized or p orbital, because हमने देखा, okay, we have seen that it is forming, this carbon is forming like this, one s orbital, okay, in excited state, and it is forming 1, 2 and 3. This is s, and suppose this is px, and suppose this is py, and this is unhybridized, this is unhybridized, this is unhybridized orbital. Okay, so one unhybridized orbital which is remain, and this is a sp2 hybridization, this is sp2 hybridization in case of the carbon. So this is for us, this is a diagram for a carbon, one carbon atom, but there are total two carbon atoms. Okay, तो चलो उसके लिए भी ड्रॉ करते हैं, ये जो है दूसरा कार्बन एटम है. Okay, so now what will happen, ये यहाँ पे एक sp2 hybridization फॉर्म करेगा. Okay, और ये यहाँ पे एक sp2 hybridization, and एक यहाँ पे sp2 hybridization and sp2 hybridization. Okay, and this is unhybridized, this is एरो दे देता हूं मैं, दिस इज अनहाइब्रिडाइज्ड p ऑर्बिटल, जो हाइब्रिड नहीं हो सका है. ओके, इसमें. So in this way, this is the structure right now for a carbon. Carbon के लिए structure ड्रॉ किया हम लोगों ने. But यहाँ पे कितने हैं? Total 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay. So now we will draw here one. This is hydrogen atom. Okay, and this is another hydrogen atom, and this is another hydrogen atom, and this is another hydrogen atom. Now, whatever the bonds that are forming. Okay. So the sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap actually with two s orbitals of the hydrogen. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे sp2 and s orbital, because hydrogen में कौन सा ऑर्बिट रहता है? Only one s orbital is present. Only one s orbital is present. So here, right now, the bond between hydrogen and this carbon will be sp2 and s orbital. Okay, sp2 and s orbital bond. Okay. So sp2 hybrid orbital overlap actually with this s orbital of the hydrogen. So it will form sp2 and s sigma bond. Okay, so the bond which is present, the bond which is present between, the bond which is present between this carbon and hydrogen is what? sp2 and s. So how many sp2 and s bond will be there total? This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is total 4 bond will be present. Okay, yeah, of sp2 and s. So we will call this as a sigma bond. Okay, because this is a sigma bond. Okay, another, that is, with this carbon atom and with this carbon atom there will be one bond, and that bond is what? That is sp2 bond. Okay, this is between carbon atom. So the this is the sp2 sigma bond. Okay, that is present. So here it is one sigma bond is present between carbon atom. Okay, चाहे तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Okay, between, this is between carbon. Okay, carbon and hydrogen atom, this is between carbon and hydrogen atom, this is between carbon and carbon atom. For your understanding I am writing this. Okay, so sp2 one bond will be formed, and that bond is what? Sigma bond. Okay, so there are total 5 sigma bonds will be formed in C2H4. Okay, and one bond will be formed between this unhybridized p orbital. Okay, unhybridized p orbital में one bond will be formed, and that is called as a pp bond. Okay, that is called as a pp bond. Okay, that this is one bond, one pi bond will be formed. One pi bond will be formed. और ये one pi bond किसके बीच में form होगा? Between unhybridized orbital. Between unhybridized, यहाँ पे लिखता हूं मैं unhybridized p orbital, unhybridized p orbital. So in this way, total 4 plus 1, 5 sigma bonds will be formed. Okay, out of which 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sigma bond is between carbon and hydrogen, okay, carbon and hydrogen atom, and 1 sigma bond is between carbon and carbon atom. In this way it will form, and last one pi bond will be between unhybridized p orbital, okay, unhybridized p orbital के बीच में one carbon atom will be formed. Okay, so in this way, this is the structure, and this will get merged, and in this way, the it will satisfy the valency, okay, valency, and it will form a bond like this. Okay, so this is called as a sp2 hybridization. This is called as a sp2 hybridization in case of C2H4 molecule. Okay, C2H4 molecule में hybridization will be formed like this. Okay, so now we'll see formation of how boron trifluoride. Okay, boron trifluoride sp2 hybridization in case of boron trifluoride, how it takes place. Okay, that we will see. Another example, that is boron trifluoride BF3. Okay, where another sp2 bond, sp2 hybridization takes place. Okay, that we will see, that we will discuss. So another example is a formation of boron trifluoride. Okay, that is the formation of boron trifluoride. Okay, formation of this boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride, that is molecule. Okay, that is BF3 molecule. BF3 molecule, in which there is a sp2 hybridization that will take place. Okay, so need of hybridization, observed valency of boron. Okay, so here we'll see boron will be acting as central atom here. Okay, so observed valency of this boron in BF3 is a 3. Okay, so its geometry is a triangular planar, okay, which can be explained on basis of sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization में geometry ऐसी आती है triangular planar. Okay, we have just seen. Okay, triangular planar geometry आती है. Okay, मैंने आपको शो किया था इसके पहले भी. Okay, triangular geometry of this sp2 hybridized orbitals are here. Triangular planar. Okay, triangular planar geometry. Then sp2 hybridized of the boron, if you will see boron in ground state. Okay, so boron in ground state will draw the electronic configuration. It is having 1s orbital in its ground state like this 1s. Okay, then 2s orbital. Okay, 2s orbital, 2s में 1 2, because total 5 atomic number is there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and now it will have 1 2, so 1 2p. Suppose this is 2px, 2px1, 2py will be 0, and 2pz will be 0 in case of ground state. But in case of excited state, in case of excited state, what will happen to this boron? This boron, one of the electron will jump into this 2p orbital, and in this way it will form the orbitals like this. 1s orbital, this is 2s orbital, only one will be there, and in case of 2p orbital, okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. So this is 2px1, 2py1, and 2pz0. Okay, in this way, this is the modified or excited electronic configuration in case of the boron. One of the electrons on this will jump into this 2py orbital, and that's why I have written it as a 2py1 orbital. So these 3 orbitals. So now what will happen? These 3 orbitals will get merged to form sp2 hybridization. One s orbital and 2p orbital will get, okay, will get redistribute, okay, and it will form it will get recast. Okay, with equivalent energy. Okay, we know that the hybridized orbital will have equivalent energy. Okay, so we'll now write the hybridized sp2 hybridized orbital. Sp2 hybridized, hybridization. Okay, sp2 hybridization in this case. So how it will form sp2 hybridization in case of boron? So ye dekho 1s orbital, and in this way, it will form, okay, this is 2s orbital, this is suppose 2px orbital, and this is 2py orbital. Okay, and this way it will form sp2 hybridization. So now what will happen? This is the sp2 hybridization. Total 3 orbits are present. Okay, total 3 orbitals, hybridized orbital. Okay, half filled orbital. This will get recast, this will get merged with the फ्लोरीन एटम. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे फ्लोरीन एटम. ओके, fluorine atom. Okay, so fluorine is having atomic number as 9. Okay, आपको पता होगा fluorine atomic number is 9. Okay, so from which we can draw its हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फ्लोरीन के लिए 9 है. Okay, so in this way what will happen? The if we write down electronic configuration, it's 1s2, okay, 2s2, and 2p, it will be 5u. Okay, 2p 5u. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 5, that is 9. In this way, जो ये जो last जो p orbital है, second जो p orbital है, okay, because this will be the configuration. Okay, this is 1s, okay, orbital, this is 2s orbital. Okay, this is there will be no any excitation, there will be no any excited state. Okay, in case of fluorine, because we have already considered that in case of the boron. Okay, so ये देखो 1 2 1 2 and 1. In this way, जो यहाँ पे जो vacant है orbital, okay, so one fluorine atom will get merged with this suppose 2s orbital, because total 3 fluorine atoms are present here in BF3 molecule. Okay, so we have just drawn here the hybridized orbitals for the boron. Boron के लिए draw किया हम लोगों ने. That is, it forms sp2 hybridization. Okay, so these are 3 unpaired, okay, orbitals. Okay, hybridized orbitals. अभी इन 3 orbitals में क्या होगा? One fluorine atom will form a covalent bond between these, okay, or between these orbitals, because total there are 3 fluorine atom, and in that fluorine atom there is one last orbit में एक जगह vacant है. Okay, so that vacant orbital will get merged for 3 fluorine atom. तो 3 fluorine atom के लिए merge हो जाएगा, and in this way it will form a covalent bond, and it will form the molecule, that is BF3 molecule it will produce. Okay, so the orbital overlap, each sp2 hybrid orbital of boron atom having unpaired electron overlap axially with half filled 2pz orbital. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे this is 2 orbital. Okay, this is 2px orbital, this is 2py orbital, and this is 2pz orbital, out of which this 2pz orbital is a half filled orbital, and this half filled orbital will merge with this hybridized orbital to form a covalent bond between this BF molecule. Okay, boron and fluorine atom. So to form a covalent bond, and it will form the sigma bond. Okay, so the orbital of the fluorine atom containing electron with the opposite spin to form a BF sigma bond. Okay, so in this way sp2, okay, how the bond will be formed here? Sp2 hybridization in case of boron will form a bond, okay, p bond. It will form a p with the p orbital, pz orbital के साथ ये bond form करेगा. Okay, so in this way it will form a sigma bond. Okay, in this way this will be the overlapping, and it will form such 3 bonds. Okay, so bond angle, each the bond, if we talk about the bond angle, okay, if we talk about the bond angle, the bond angle रहेगा इनमें. Okay, bond angle, whatever the bond angle that will be present here, okay, bond angle, we know that bond angle will be 120 degree between each बोरॉन एंड फ्लोरीन एटम के बीच में जो एंगल रहेगा वो कितना रहेगा? 120 डिग्री का रहेगा. ओके, So geometry will be, okay, so we will draw the geometry here. Okay, geometry we will draw here. So we will draw the geometry here. Okay, geometry. So geometry, the geometry of BF3 molecule is a trigonal, okay, planar. Trigonal planar. Geometry will be trigonal planar geometry. Okay, trigonal planar geometry. So how that? Okay, so yes orbital. Consider suppose. Okay, this yes orbital, spherical orbital. Okay, if it is suppose getting merged with suppose py and pz orbital. Okay, so consider this as z and this is suppose y, because in the same diagram now I am going to show here. This is one yes orbital, okay, spherical orbital, and y will be like this. This will be y orbital, so z orbital, because I have shown here y orbital, and this is here y, and here it is y orbital. In this way, okay, it will merge. And you know very well that when this sp2 hybridization, this sp2 hybridization will take place, what will happen? One, it will form one larger lobe, okay, positive sign, okay, and one smaller lobe with negative sign. One larger lobe with positive sign, one smaller lobe with negative sign. One larger lobe with positive sign and one smaller lobe with negative sign, because this is what sp2 hybridization means. Okay, because we have already seen in case of hybridization what will happen, it will form other two lobes, okay, out of which one lobe will be of larger size and one will be of the smaller size. And आप देख सकते हो इसकी ज्योमेट्री, आप देखो इसकी ज्योमेट्री आप देख सकते हो, इफ यू सी द ज्योमेट्री, इट्स ज्योमेट्री इज अ ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर, एक ही प्लेन में है, ट्राइगोनल, ओके, ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म कर रही है, ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, ओके. एंड नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन हियर, इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ ट्राइगोनल प्लेनर ज्योमेट्री. ओके, अब इसी डायग्राम में मैं आपको शो करता हूँ. फ्लोरीन एटम के साथ अभी ये क्या करेगा, बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा. ओके, सो इट विल फॉर्म अ बॉन्ड विद द फ्लोरीन एटम. ओके, सो इन दिस वे देयर विल बी अ फ्लोरीन एटम. ये देखो फ्लोरीन एटम का ये वाला बॉन्ड, ये बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा. ओके, इन दिस वे इट विल फॉर्म अ बॉन्ड. इन दिस वे दिस फ्लोरीन एटम, because this will be the fluorine atom, it will form a sigma bond. Okay, यहाँ पे एक sigma bond form होगा, sigma bond. Okay, this is a sigma bond. So this is the bond between sp2 and p orbitals. बराबर है ना, बिकॉज फ्लोरीन एटम में लास्ट जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है वो कहाँ पे वैकेंट है, 2pz में वैकेंट है. 2pz वैकेंट है मींस व्हाट, विच ऑर्बिटल it is a p orbital, it is p orbital. So p orbital of the atom, okay, p orbital of the fluorine atom will get for a bond with sp2 hybridization. So in this way sp2 and p orbital, okay, and in this way यहाँ पे भी एक bond form होगा. Okay, in this way sp2 and p orbital, the bond will be formed, okay, between the one boron atom and three fluorine atom, and it will form the structure that is a BF3 molecule, and it will form a BF3 molecule. So this is about the sp2 hybridization in case of C2H4 molecule and in BF3 molecule. Okay, so now the last one, okay, that is sp hybridization. Okay, sp hybridization देखते हैं हम लोग. Last hybridization, okay, that is sp hybridization. Okay, last hybridization. Last hybridization is a sp hybridization. Last hybridization is sp hybridization. So in this sp hybridization, one s orbital and one p orbital will take part into the hybridization, okay, into mixing of the orbitals and recasting them, okay, to form the hybridization. So sp hybridization, in this one s and one p orbital undergo mixing and recasting to form two sp hybrid orbitals of same energy and the same shape. This parameter you know very well. After formation of hybridization orbital, they will be of same energy and same shape. So the two hybrid orbitals are placed. Okay, this will be at an angle of, so angle which will be formed in this sp hybridization will be 180 degree with each other. So just in case of sp3 hybridization, the angle was 109.5 degrees. Okay, in case of sp2 hybridization, the angle was 120 degrees, and in case of sp hybridization, the angle is 180 degrees. Okay, between each bond. So bond angle is 180 degree in sp hybridization. So now what will happen to the other two p orbitals? Okay, what will happen? Because when we are saying sp2 hybridization, one yes, okay, so one yes orbital will be there, and second one will be the p orbital. तो p orbital के जो बाकी जो remaining जो दो orbital दो p orbital है, 2p orbital, what will happen to that 2p orbital? What will happen to that 2p orbitals? So the other 2p orbitals do not participate in hybridization and are at right angles to the hybrid orbital. So you know this very well, that whenever any p orbital that is not take part, this if it is do not take part, okay, do not take part in hybridization. Okay, so जो part नहीं लेता है ऑर्बिटल, वो क्या रहता है, अलाइन कैसे रहता है, परपेंडिकुलर अलाइन रहता है. Okay, so this you have to remember. So now we'll see the examples of sp2 hybridization. The examples in case of sp hybridization is BeCl2. BeCl2 is the example, and another example is that is C2H2. Okay, C2H2, the triple bond which is present between C2H2. Okay, so that is it will form a sp hybridization. So now we'll see the example of this C2H2, okay, that is acetylene. Okay, formation of acetylene molecule, this is called as acetylene molecule. Okay, so ethylene बोलते हैं इसको. Okay, so we'll see now formation of this molecule. Okay, formation of acetylene molecule. Formation of acetylene molecule in case of sp hybridization. Okay, in case of sp hybridization, we'll see formation of this molecule. Yes, we'll see formation. We'll see formation of, yes, we'll see formation of acetylene molecule. Acetylene means, yes, C2H2. Acetylene molecule. Formation of acetylene molecule. So this molecule contains, okay, आप देख सकते हो acetylene molecule. It consists of C2H2, two carbon molecules and two hydrogen molecules. Okay, so each carbon atom undergoes sp hybridization. Okay, each carbon atom will undergo a sp hybridization, and one s and one p orbital mix and recast to give a sp hybrid orbitals that are arranged at 180 degrees with each other. So we'll see with the help of the excited and ground state and how it is forming. So out of this two sp hybrid orbitals of one carbon atom, okay, we'll see first the ground state of the carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom के लिए ground state देखते हैं, और yes, we'll see ground state carbon atom. Okay, 6 valence electrons are present. So in this way, this is 1s orbital, this is 2s orbital, and this is 2p orbital in a ground state. 2p orbital out of which 2px, okay, यहाँ पे एक रहेगा और यहाँ पे एक रहेगा. Okay, so in this way 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz में 0 रहेगा in case of ground state. In case of excited state, okay, we know that one of the electron will jump from 2s orbital into, okay, so this is 1s, this is 2s, and this is 1, 2, and 3. But right now this is a sp hybridization, only one s and one p orbital is taking part and remaining are unhybridized. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay, in this way, this is the excited state of a carbon atom. Okay, so now how it is forming a sp hybridization? It is how it is forming sp hybridization. So while forming sp hybridization, this is the 1s orbital. Okay, this is 1s orbital, and one, this is 2s orbital, and one, this p orbital will take part, okay, in hybridization. So in this way, this is the sp hybridization. This is what sp hybrid orbitals. This is what sp hybrid orbitals. Okay, sp hybrid orbitals है ये वाले. Okay, and these two will remain unhybridized. These two will remain unhybridized, and that will align perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular. Okay, so in this way, this is pure p orbital. So we will say that this is a pure p orbital. This is pure p orbitals. Okay, so in this case, sp hybridization, we are talking about acetylene molecule, C2H2 molecule, where carbon is acting as a central molecule, we can say, and it is getting in excited state. Okay, one of the electron is jumping from 2s orbital and it is going to the next energy level and it is occupying a 2pz orbital. But as it is forming a sp hybridization, so this is what sp hybrid orbitals. One s orbital and one p orbital will get merged to form a sp hybrid orbitals. Okay. In case of this C2H4 H2 molecule, C2H2 molecule. So now what will happen here? We will have to show with the help of bond. Okay, so out of these two sp hybrid orbitals, okay, अभी क्या होगा ये देखो, one carbon atom will be bonded with the another carbon atom, and one hydrogen atom will be bonded with one carbon atom, and another hydrogen atom will be bonded with the another carbon atom. Okay, so we will have to show the overlapping. Out of these two sp hybrid orbitals of carbon atom, one overlap actually with s orbital of the hydrogen atom. Okay, so we know that. Okay, right now, in case of this, suppose, so yes, will one carbon atom is forming a sp hybridization. Okay, so which is getting overlap. Okay, which is getting overlap with one s orbital. Okay, which is getting overlap with one s orbital. Okay, so we can show one s orbital like this. Suppose, okay, ये एक s orbital हम लोग ऐसे show कर सकते. Okay, so consider this is a yes 2s orbital. Suppose this is 2s orbital. Okay, this is suppose 2s orbital, and which is which will get attached. Okay, which will get attached with anyone. Suppose, okay, with anyone, suppose x direction में है. Okay, तो x direction में show करते हैं. Suppose this is x direction. Okay, ये merge हो जाएगा ऐसे. Okay, so consider this is suppose to px. Okay, it will get merged, and okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बाद में वीडियो में देख लो आप लोग. Okay, so this 2s orbital will get merged, okay, with one of the p orbital. One of the p orbital के साथ वो merge हो जाएगा, and in this way it will form the hybrid orbital. Okay, in this way it will form the hybrid orbitals. So now we'll see how this forming a hybrid orbitals with the help of diagram. In case of acetylene molecule, so out of these two sp hybrid orbitals, because there are two carbon atoms. So ये देखो यहाँ पे sp hybridization करेगा ये one carbon atom, and this is one sp hybridization will be there. Okay, and now what will happen? This carbon will be bonded with the another hydrogen atom. Okay, so hydrogen atom, we know that hydrogen atom is a s orbital. So there will be bond between sp and s bond. There will be sp and s, and there will be sp and sp bond will be present. Okay, one sp and one sp bond will be present here. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैं show करता हूँ. Okay, one sp and one sp bond that will be present in between carbon carbon atom, and one sp and one s bond between carbon and hydrogen. Okay, and one this sp and s bond will be between this carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so in this way it will form uh, the overlapping. We'll see so that there are three bonds between the two carbon atoms. Okay, so carbon carbon sigma bond, carbon carbon sigma bond. Okay, that is sp sp overlap. Then these two carbon carbon, there will be pi bond. Okay, carbon carbon के बीच में pi bond होगा. Okay, overlap. And fourth one is the sp-s bond between carbon and hydrogen bond. Okay, carbon और hydrogen के बीच में okay sigma bond होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, this will have a sigma bond, this will be the sigma bond. Okay, so in this way it will satisfy the fourth valency of the carbon. Okay, so sp hybridization in case of the C2H2 molecules. Okay, in this way it will form a C2H2 molecule. In this way it is forming a C2H2 molecules. Okay, so one carbon carbon sigma bond, that is sp sigma bond will be present, and two carbon carbon pi bond will be present here. Okay, so in this way there will be the formation of a sp hybridization that will take place in case of a C2H2 molecule. Okay, C2H2 molecules में. Okay, because unpaired जो unpaired जो hybridized orbitals है. Okay, unhybridized orbitals, this will form a pi bond. Okay, this will form a pi bond. Okay, so this is about the sp hybridization. Okay, so we have seen about sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp3 hybridization देखा हम लोगों ने. Then we have seen about the sp2 hybridization, as well as we have seen about the sp hybridization. Okay, sp hybridization. So we'll see about the valence bond theory. Okay, how what is the importance of valence bond theory and what are the limitations of valence bond theory. Okay, in tomorrow lecture. कल देखेंगे हम लोग. Okay, क्योंकि टाइम ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है आज के लिए.